So I was just thinking about the iPhone 12, and it have Magsafe, which is basically a magnet at the back which you can use to snap into place with a Magsafe charger and it charge. So if you guys are familiar with like the wireless charger for like the watches they make these days, like the Samsung Active, the iPhone, the Apple Watch, the Apple Series 6 and Series SE and so on, it comes with this little charger right here, which is basically a magnet also, and I believe that it works the same way as how a MagSafe charger would, but it's just smaller. So today I want to test, will this be able to charge the iPhone 12 because it's a magnet and the iPhone 12 have MagSafe, which is basically a magnet in the back of the phone. So that is what I'm gonna test today, guys. This video should be quick because I'm literally just gonna put it on the side and see if it comes up as charging. So it is face down now, and I'm gonna take the phone and literally just put it on top. So will it charge? Nope, I don't see anything come up. But one thing to note, it did definitely snap onto the magnet. You guys can see it right here. It did snap onto the magnet. The magnet, one thing I realized though, the magnet is not that strong magnet, but you do hear it snap into place. Like I'm gonna take it now and barely bring it down and it snaps. Like you guys can hear it snapping. Yeah, it does snap in place. So I'm not sure if it's because it doesn't have enough energy or it doesn't like line up properly. That's why it doesn't charge your phone, but it doesn't charge your phone, but you definitely can feel it snap into place with the magnet. But as I said, the magnet is not that strong to keep it in place. Like if I go like this, it will just come off right away. But as I said, the magnet is not that strong of a magnet, so it won't keep it in place. But if you guys are wondering, will it charge your phone? Will it be able to charge your phone? No, it won't charge your phone. I'm guessing the size of the magnet versus that magnet that is in the back of the phone, that is why. And maybe the current, the wattage and all those stuff is just not strong enough to give it a charge. Because I'm guessing the MagSafe charger works like it gives it a certain amount of current and the iPhone will detect that, hey, this is a charger and not a wallet on the back or whatever. But it does snap onto metal things. But as I said, don't expect to snap this on a metal or a fridge or something. I expect it to stay in place because it will definitely drop, because the magnet is not that strong of a magnet. So I hope that video was helpful for you guys. As you guys can see, it didn't work. It didn't work at all. You didn't hear it chime or anything saying, hey, it is charging. And as I said, the magnet did snap into place. You could feel it and you could hear it that it snapped into place. But when you go to lift up the phone, it will definitely come off because the magnet is not that strong of a magnet. And I even tried to like attach my phone to this fridge, because as you guys know, your fridge is like a magnet or a good metal for a magnet to stick on. So I tried it with the fridge. It did stick on the fridge, but trust me, you don't want to let go because it will definitely fall, because as I said, the magnet is not that strong in the phone. But that's basically it, guys. This was just an idea that came across my head just a while ago, and I said why not do a video on it, because I'm pretty sure a lot of people will be wondering the same question, so why not? So let me know if this video, guys, was definitely helpful for you or not. Let me know. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, and share with a friend who you think needs to see this, because before you go to snap your phone on a fridge or something and then your phone shatter in pieces and all those stuff. But thank you guys for watching. Until my next video, guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.